I don't know. I don't know if I want to keep doing it. I did it, but I was thinking this was gonna go a different way. Hey guys, welcome back and welcome. If you're new, I am Shama with the Unapologetic Happy Life, where we share tips and tricks to help you design and live your best life. So, if you are here and you don't know the history, go ahead and peruse the channel. I'm pretty sure you'll find all the relevant videos and the related videos about the whole hair backstory, okay? But yeah, we're doing this. This is how I have my hair. I had a client meeting this morning, so of course I took down the braids because I had braids all over my head. I was not trying to look crazy, so I took down the braids and kind of did this style right here where I just did 4 twists going up, and then the back of my hair I had in twist. I took them down and I just had it up like this. So quick, simple hairstyle that I did this morning. That's what I've been rocking. So here we are. So I'm just taking everything out. And I think, the hair is pretty stretched at this point. Let's see. The hair is pretty stretched. You can see. And I did not use heat. I just, after I colored my hair, I just washed, conditioned, and stretched it in braids. I think I want it a little bit more stretched. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna apply a little bit of heat protectant over my hair and section my hair and just use my blow dryer just to apply a little bit of heat, not too much. I'm not trying to get it bone straight. I'm just trying to get it just a little bit more stretched. I have a little bit of this Cantu shea butter heat protectant that I'm just gonna spray in my hair. I'm just gonna spray over my hair just a little bit, just like that. And then just gonna use my blow dryer. I'm just going to use my rat tail comb and just section my hair. I'm gonna use my blow dryer and just apply some heat. So I may soon regret this because it's already hot and this is adding even more heat. I'm just trying to see what it's looking like. This is what it's looking like. I'm pretty sure there's not really much of a difference, but I don't know. Do I want to keep doing it though? I feel like the texture changed real quick. Like I feel like here is softer and this is like harder. I don't know. I don't know if I want to keep doing it. I did it, but I was thinking this was gonna go a different way, but I feel like hair is so much softer than this piece right here. I feel like it's a little bit more coarse as I applied the heat. All right, I'm gonna just keep doing it, whatever. I'm gonna just keep going. Alright guys, so I am back and my hair is all blown out. So next step is I'm gonna go ahead and start parting my hair. I am not quite sure how I want the parting at the back to be. I know for sure I don't want that line going straight down the middle. I feel like it's a little bit too apparent. I think I had that in my last lock journey. I know for sure I'm gonna put a middle part here and a part here, ear to ear. And the back, I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure I'm gonna do bricklayer either, because I do like, you know, the clean lines, horizontal and vertical lines. I just don't want the middle line running all the way through, even though I might set it up like that though, like depending on how I do the parting. But Anyways, I'm gonna try to figure out the parting system, and once I figure that out and I've gotten it down, then I'll come back and show you guys how I've decided to part my hair. Okay guys, so I'm not done parting. I'm in the process of parting, as you can see, but I wanted to come back on camera and just let you know that while I am doing my parting, I am also trying to clip my ends at the same time. So as I'm parting my hair in the sections that I want, I'm also just going by and doing like a rough trim. And what I'm doing, I'm just, nothing fancy. I am just combing out my hair, making sure it's fully detangled. All right. And then I just take my hair, bring my fingers all the way down, and wherever I see that the ends are different length, I just clip. It's kind of hard to do this, so I'm watching in my mirror. Like so. See? Easy peasy. I'm not doing anything fancy, and I'm not chopping a lot of my hair, but I'm just taking off whatever straggly ends. Even though I had already clipped some of my ends in my, I think it's when I washed my hair. I don't remember, either when I took down the locks or in my hair wash video when I had my hair in twist. I did just go and clip the ends of the twist for the straggly ends, but I'm still going back in and getting anything I missed. And then I'm just twisting my hair really quickly into strand twist, and then I'll just twist that up into like a bantu knot. Easy peasy. All right, so I'm gonna keep doing that and continue my sections, and I will be back once I am done. All right guys, I'm back, and I have finally gotten my grid down pat. But if I had to tell you the length of time it took me to get this grid like the way I wanted it, hours. I'm not kidding, it took me hours. I think I started this at 7. It is now 10:30, and yeah, I had to part and repart, part and repart until I got the grid down, but I think I'm finally happy with it. So let me just give you guys a 360 of the grid. I have 6 sections at the front, and I believe I have 6 sections at the back as well. So in total, I have 12 sections throughout my hair. So let me give you a 360. So yeah, I have 12 sections in my hair. I thought I was gonna start installing my locks today, but because of the length of time it took me to actually get the grid down, obviously that ain't happening. So I shall start tomorrow. Fingers crossed, the Lord spare. I'm gonna start tomorrow installing my locks. Hopefully I can get to installing a decent amount, but yeah, I'm excited. I think I'm liking the grid. I'm liking how, you know, everything is laid out so far, and I'm excited to start installing. So I'll see you guys when I actually start installing. So see you guys tomorrow.